Hi, I'm in the Micromark workshop again, and I have the 87915 jeweler's bench pin to show you. Comes with 5 total pieces. It comes with the bench pin, comes with a clamp, and comes with some pin pegs for the pin board. It mounts very easily to a wide variety of bench sizes. This closes almost to 0, and it opens probably about 2.5 inches. So to mount it to your bench, you're going to come up through the bottom like that, go over top of that cutout area, and then this gets mounted to your table. Like so. And just screw up the clamp and tighten it down because you don't want it to move on you. And now we're solid. Now I would take my jeweler's saw and a piece of wood that I've been playing with in order to make an ornament for my Christmas tree that I'm still working on. I'm going to be cutting it out. The pins, the pegs that we supply for the jeweler's pin fit in the holes that are designed into the tool. And they are going to aid me by holding my sample in place while I do some more cutting. And the unit, my sample, my piece won't move away from me. So I'm able to hold it much better. And then with the jeweler's saw going back and forth, I would simply follow my pattern